In 1 second, light travels 300,000 kilometers. In about 8.3 minutes, light travels 152 million kilometers, reaching from the sun to us on Earth. In a year, light travels roughly 9.5 trillion kilometers. This is known as the light year. Yet, there's an even bigger unit used to measure astronomical distances, the parsec. In 1913, British astronomer Herbert Hall Turner coined the term parsec to describe a distance that is 3.26 light years, or roughly 19 trillion kilometers. Think about the distance like this. If this was the sun and this was the Earth, and instead of 152 million kilometers apart, we put them about 3 inches or roughly 8 centimeters apart. Then that means the distance between the Earth and an object a parsec away is about 15,500 meters, or 2,000 meters shy of twice the height of Mount Everest. Okay, what? So look, I get that a parsec is a big distance and everything, but how do you know if something's really a parsec away? Good question, me. We can actually use a system called parallax. Parallax is actually the most efficient way to find cosmic distances, and as astronomer Mark Reed stated, parallax is the gold standard for finding stellar distances because it doesn't involve physics. Okay, cool, but how does it work? Gosh, I was getting to that part. Cue the animation.
To find the parallax angle, record the Earth at one point of its orbit. In this case, we'll use March, and then 6 months later, which would be in September, at the opposite point of the orbit. Remember that the Earth's orbit's radius is the astronomical unit, or AU. Next, find the star you were measuring by comparing it to nearby stars 6 months apart. In this case, we're using March and September. And solve for the angle between the Earth, star, and sun to get the parallax angle.
Earlier we discussed that 1 parsec is the equivalent of 3.26 light years. Astronomers use this stellar distance when the parallax is equal to 1 arcsecond. An arcsecond is the equivalent of 1/3600th of a degree. It's like viewing the width of a strand of hair from over 65 feet or almost 20 meters away. Okay guys, run the demo. In conclusion, the parsec is a measurement astronomers use to find stellar distance between nearby stars and us on Earth. It might seem a little excessive, but just remember that besides the sun, the closest star to us on Earth is over 1.3 parsecs away. However, if Han Solo can complete the Kessel Run in under 12 parsecs, then certainly space's horizons are within our grasp.